Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Ernie and I customize just about anything from custom gifts, one-off items to bulk promotional products. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at this custom flashlight that you can get for someone else. Alright, and before we begin, let's talk about this flashlight real quick. It's all aluminum construction. It holds 3 AAA batteries. They are included, and it comes in a small little gift case that could be essentially engraved as well if you wanted it to be. So it's pretty bright, durable. It has 2 different areas where we can laser engrave on this particular flashlight. So how and where do I sell these flashlights? You can find these flashlights on Etsy on the link in the description below. I also sell these on my own website, which you'll find there as well, and I also sell this to businesses as bulk promotional products, so they can put their logo on it and use those as promotional pieces. And to decorate this flashlight, I use this fiber laser engraver. You can get additional laser engravers that use a different type of process. Obviously the price will vary depending on the size of the machine, but you know, just talk to your manufacturer and you can ask them and confirm that you are able to engrave metal. So the way this particular machine works is that you will create your artwork outside of the program itself, apply a certain fill, and then also apply a certain power, how powerful you want the machine to run. After that, you want to go outside physically in the arm here and then adjust the height to make sure it's exactly the distance that the manufacturer recommends, and then all you gotta do is just position your item and you're ready to roll. The cool thing that I like about this industry, and I'm talking about the personalization industry, is that even though you're selling the same item over and over again, every time an item goes out, it's always different. There's always a new name that you get to see that you didn't realize it existed, or in other cases people are putting their Bible verses on there and giving them as a gift. And just recently I've also had people purchase these and put a very particular message for a loved one that has recently passed away, and they get buried with this particular flashlight. So I find that very special, and I appreciate everybody that has been checking you know, this particular item and uses this particular item for those reasons. So it always makes me feel good and makes me happy and to find out how people are using these particular gifts. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'm going to be putting a little bit more effort in putting videos to show you what other items I sell myself. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.